Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Justuno cart recovery notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To start subscribing to Justuno cart recovery notifications, first, ensure you have a Justuno account. Log into your Justuno dashboard using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on Notifications to open the configuration options. Find the Cart Recovery Notifications option within this section. Toggle the switch to enable cart recovery notifications if it isn't activated already. Next, select the preferred notification method. You can choose to receive notifications via email or SMS. If you prefer email notifications, enter the email address you want to use. For SMS notifications, enter your mobile number and confirm it as required. Adjust the notification frequency according to your preference. You may have options like immediate notifications or daily summaries. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to finalize your settings. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating your subscription is active. You can test the notifications by running a cart recovery simulation. Ensure that you receive the notifications as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.